Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is Nint. Nint coin is the crypto coin ecosystem where opportunity is equally distributed. So guys, it's stabilized at $1,000 and yes, it's true because they write that yes, you read that right. C-Treat will stabilize 9 coin at 1000 USD per coin, meaning no sudden drop and spikes in value once our cryptocurrency exchange platform launches. When they are going to launch their exchange, the price of this coin is stable at $1,000. And guys, it's a good opportunity for investors, traders and other crypto enthusiasts will be able to dream big without fear. So guys, the coin that is built by individual creativity and in the Nint, it's almost investors, startups, retails, and guys, you can also read more about here, like what does your crypto portfolio look like. Whether you want to buy cryptocurrency or join an open access crypto exchange, you have come to the right place. And guys, they also write that the Nint ecosystem is built on dreams and ideas. So what will you bring to the table with 1 billion coins available, 500 million coins locked for stabilization and 250 million to mine? The C-Treat exchange is the best place to trade crypto. To get it in on the action, set up your Nint wallet today to start investing and trading. So guys, this is the ecosystem of the Nint coins. So they are going to 250 million coins to be mint, and guys, total supply of the Nint coin is almost 1 billion. So 100 million coins for Robinhood reward and the 500 million coins for reserved for stabilization at $1,000. Guys, 50 million coins for Nint venture capital and 25 million coins for developers and rewards. 25 million coins also distributed for voting rewards, and the 10 million coins for C-Treat exchange launch. So guys, 20 million coins for Nint coin me launch and 5 million coins for Nint app rewards. So another 5 million coins for doing good foundations, and another 5 million coins for retails accepting Nint coins. 5 million coins also they are going to distribute for pre-sale. So guys, this is the C-Treat exchange. It's a fiat liquidity and stabilization at $1,000, where the Nint coin will be launched, and the price goes to almost $1,000. Nint coin me in 2, it's almost Fiverr and Patreon zero cost alternative, and in 3 it's a Nint coin venture capital. So your creativity has no limit. And in the 4th, online retail adoption Nint rewarding program. Guys, it's wealth and calling all Robinhood users. So they are going to write that, are you a crypto trader looking for a crypto trading platform where wealth is distributed fairly? You may have burned before, perhaps even more and once, but don't listen to them when they tell you it's just the way market is. Listen to this: we will compensate with you 1 Nint coin for every dollar you lost trading. Hold on to them and wait for them to appreciate in value, or invest early and make back double or more. We are capping compensation at $10,000 per person and 100 million Nint coin in total. First come, first served. And guys, this is they are going to write that, read our Twitter post, how to RH compensation press release. This is the download now option for Nint wallet. You can also download that for Windows and Linux. And guys, this is the wallet of the Nint coin. So they write that easy to set up and use, access from any device, manage your portfolio. Encryption technology keeps you secure. Dedicated support team, ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. So guys, you can also create your wallet easily. Just click on this option and you are going here. So guys, this is the create account option, so just click on that. If you want to create your Nint wallet, then just put it your email here, just put your password, confirm password, and then you are going to click on the I am not a robot and click on the sign up option. You will receive an confirmation email in your email, so just click on that. And then guys, you are going to log in the Nint wallet. Just click on the login option. Guys, when you are going to log in, you will see this type of dashboard. Then click on get a new address and you will receive a new address here. So this is the simple way that you are going to create an wallet in the Nint wallet like this. And guys, you can buy the Nint coin. Just click on the buy Nint coin and you see that it's almost 1 billion coins, unlimited growth. Its base value is 0.01 and creativity community, and then 250 million to mint exchange platform, and $1 trillion is almost for ecosystem and crypto VC fund. So if you guys click on the buy Nint coin option, you are going to come here and they write that be among the first to buy Nint coin before it start trading on exchanges. Current price is 0.05 USD per coin, and a minimum purchase with BTC is almost 1000 Nint coin. It's almost $50. Minimum purchase with ETH, it's almost 0.05 Ethereum, and available amount it's on July 24 2020 or less than 4 million Nint coins. So price update July 24 2021, price up 5x from 0.01 to 0.05, and price update July 31 2021, the price will be increased. It's almost 2x, and it's going to 0.05 to 0.10. This is the step-by-step guide, and guys, you can create one, so you can read here, and you can buy easily the Nint coin through this guidance. So guys, now we come back to the website, and this is the Nint coin code and the blockchain explorer, and this is the email. You can also email them. Guys, we can also have an bounty of the Nint coin. So if you want to join the Nint coin bounty, you can easily join that and earn good amount of rewards. It's almost a 1 month bounty, and the value of the bounty is very good. It's almost $5 million bounty. So guys, this is the official website link. This is the white paper. You can also read that. This is the Nint wallet app, and you can also see that the campaign will start on at 12/7/2021 and proceed till almost 8/8/2021. And guys, first 2 weeks are ended, so the third week is start, and it's almost 1/8/2021 to 8/8/2021. And guys, you can also see that the bounty allocation in Telegram, they are going to distribute almost 10% of the bounty campaigns, and Facebook is almost 20%. In Twitter campaign is almost also 20%, and article campaigns, they are going to distribute the 25% of coins in the bounty campaign, and in YouTube they are also going to distribute their coins almost 25% in also the YouTube campaign. So guys, these are the general rules you must to follow the Telegram group and channel, and you can also read more the important rules of the bounty here. So guys, in the Facebook campaign, your account must be at least 3 months old, and this is the Facebook page link. You must to like that, and you must to post minimum of 3 posts and 3 shares weekly with these hashtags, okay, required to get the reward. So guys, you must to read more about the Facebook campaign here, And guys, if you have good amount of followers, then you will get a good amount of stacks. Like if you have 100 to 500 followers or friends, you will get 2 stacks per week. And if you have 3000 plus followers as friends, and then you will get almost 9 stacks per week. So the weekly submission, and you must to write the week 1 date, month, date and year. And then guys, your Bitcoin Talk name here, and then you are going to put your Facebook account name and Facebook profile link. Then after that, submit your shares and links like this, like month and date that you are going to share. So guys, this is a registration form, and you must to fill the registration form to participate in the Facebook campaign. As it's a spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, and you can check your name when you are going to fill this form. So guys, this is the Facebook form of the Nint coin. So put it your email here, Bitcoin Talk name, Bitcoin Talk profile link, Telegram username that you are going to join their channels and groups. And after that guys, put it your Facebook profile link, and after that, number of friends that you have in the Facebook, just write here, and at the end put your wallet, Nint wallet address, and after that click on the submit option. So guys, the second campaign is the Twitter campaign. So you must to follow the Twitter page, and you must to retweet and like at least 4 latest tweets by Nintcoin, and use these hashtags, and use all these hashtags in every post. So guys, you must to tweet at least 2 of your original tweets about the Nintcoin per week, and use these hashtags. So your Twitter account must be related to the cryptocurrency, and you have real followers. It's almost 90% of real followers in the Twitter audit, and in every week you need to submit the report on this bounty thread. So once you have submit the report on the thread for weeks on rewards, you simply have to quote your own first week's report and add new week's report below it, and continue to follow this every week pattern. So guys, if you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks. And this is the weekly report. You must to submit the weekly report like this, and this is the registration form. You must to fill the registration form to participate in this campaign, and this is the Google spreadsheet. You can check your name in this spreadsheet. So guys, this is a telegram campaign. So you must to also join this campaign. You must to need to join the Telegram group and channel, and until the end of the campaign calculation to receive your stacks, you must to make at least 1 post in the group per week to get your stacks, and you must take screenshot of it each week and submit on the thread. So this is the registration form, and this is the Google spreadsheet. And guys, join the Telegram group, and 4 posts is equal to 2 stacks. So guys, the video campaign, all the content will be judged by the criteria quality, views and effects. So video must be at least minimum of 2 minutes. So video shorter are not accepted. Your channel should be at least 2 months old. Your channel has at least 50 subscribers. You should make the video in English language or any other major languages. They are going to accept that. You will receive a reward at the end of the week depending on the quality and popularity of your work. So the video must be original. Copying graphic text and other content are not allowed. So guys, you can use also their official images, logos, images posted on website and thread topic, and also Twitter and Facebook to prove authorship, or ANN thread link must be added to the video description along with your username on Bitcoin Talk. So low quality will get almost 2 stacks, average quality will get almost 4 stacks, and the high quality of the video will get almost 6 stacks. 500 plus subscriber will get almost 1 stacks, 1000 plus subscriber will get almost 2 stacks, and 5000 plus subscribers will get almost 3 stacks. This is the registration form. When you are going to make a video, then you will must the registration form, and after that you are going to check your name in the Google spreadsheet. So guys, this is the article campaign. Blog and sites eligible for these bounty campaigns are HackerNoon, and also in a Medium, Quora, Reddit. The blog article must be focused on the relevant topic. It must convey positively about Nint project. So the blog post must have at least 350 words, and only original content will be accepted. So article must be available till at the end of the campaign. Removal has deletion of the post prior to that will result in disqualification and no stacks. So guys, the article must be have a link to our website. You must to put their website link, Telegram channel, and Bitcoin tag and thread also. So guys, your URL shortener links like tiny URL, bit.ly, and also the other shorter URL will not be valid. So guys, please provide your Bitcoin Talk username and profile at the end, profile link at the end of the article, so that the authentication can be verified and easy to define stacks for you. So you must to fill the registration form to participate in this campaign, and the low quality article will get almost 2 stack, average quality article will get almost 4 stacks, and the high quality article will get almost 6 stacks. Guys, this is the additional bounty, so you can also read more about here the additional bounty, and this is the proof of registration. Just put it your forum username, profile link, Telegram username, and put it your campaign, participated campaign in which you are going to participate, like Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, video or blog. And guys, at the end you are going to put the Nint wallet address. Don't be put your BEP20 wallet address or ERC20 wallet address. So just put it your Nint wallet address. Okay, I hope you like my video. So if you have any type of question about this project, you can ask in the comment. See you, bye bye.